you have to push them, right? I'm saying that make China pay. China needs the world. It's not like the whole world needs China alone. Rajiv Rudy, where do you stand? Kamal Mitra Chenoy and Professor Swaran Singh just coming to you. Rajiv Rudy.
Yeah, I'll just make some quick points here. The World Health Assembly begins and it talks about these 122 countries. And the finger points at Wuhan and China and the suspect, they are the suspect. Now, for a person like me who is a politician and not an expert or an ambassador, there are many things which come up to my mind. And this is what really needs to be addressed. A, what would be the process when we start, when the world comes together? The country which gets most affected population-wise is India, because the second largest population in the world which has been affected. When you talk about the world, 4.7 million people have been affected and 0.35 million people have died. So now India would be the largest victim if this is coming through. The question is, when we are talking about China, do you think China would allow the people to come and investigate? Do you think it's a small banana republic sort of a state where you can jump in and say? So there is a lot of things in between which we have to see. Whether what we are talking, you see at the end of the day, if there are experts, no one can pin China as it stands now because it is a bully. It has been a bully in the UN, it has been a bully altogether. And the onus should not be on the people to prove it or the WHO to prove it. The onus should be on China to say that I am innocent, which is going to be the most difficult thing. And to carry it further, when you talk about China, it is not, the challenge is not that you can pin them or find them. The world, they have the largest economic exposure in the world. Let's forget China. If we suspect them, if they don't put them, let's put an economic embargo across the world. Do these countries have the strength to do that? That is a big question which come up now. You are talking about finding a proof, suing China. Do you think ever in history it is going to happen? The only thing which I can do, and the leadership will come to India, where we say that the world has to unite. We are sure if you give them the time, this will go on for 2 years, 3 years, there will be economic challenges, and the whole issue will get murked, and then we will lose. And the biggest loser in the process, because when we are talking about 1,300 million people, it is India, which was under lockdown, a very unthinkable lockdown. So the challenge is different. What the diplomats are talking about pinning and finding and discussing. No, the challenge should be a reality that let's isolate, let's put an embargo, let all these countries who have 80%, 70% import from China, they are not talking about economics, they are talking about pinning China. Can you pin down China?
Okay,
has anyone been able to pin down China? It's a bizarre thought process.
I think, okay, so let me put it to you this way.